Quite randomly.
Wow.
It's like LS last song in dance. LS
Last Dance Syndrome.
Last dance.
Yeah, I know what that is. Anjing. Goblok.
Let's go! Okay. Tapos ka na tumae?
Yes. Tapos na akong tumae.
I was getting giddy. Let's go. Getting giddy. Go. Where's my new beat?
SD, quick briefing lang po.
Go.
SM, ano SM? Showrunner, yun lang naman.
Yung ilaw, ay sige, ako na yung ilaw.
Malaking ilaw sa...
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. So hard to do. Thank you so much.
Sayaw na. Yan lang.
After take a photo to the baby one. Table 6, go to the buffet area. Table 7, you're next on the photo op. Debutante ready.